Are you tired of seeing others rake in thousands of dollars every month with digital marketing, while you're stuck wondering where to even start? What if I told you there's a simple, beginner-friendly way to go from $0 to $10,000 a month? No overwhelming jargon, no expensive tools, no endless trial and error? Stick around because this isn't just a promise, it's a blueprint. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take the first steps to make it happen for yourself. Here's the hard truth. Most people fail at digital marketing because they overcomplicate it. They spend countless hours on strategies they don't understand, invest in tools they don't need, and end up frustrated and broke. Sound familiar? But what if I told you that success doesn't require being a tech wizard or spending thousands up front? It's all about mastering a few proven strategies that actually work. Strategies that I'm going to share with you today. The path to $10,000 a month isn't without challenges. You'll face distractions, conflicting advice, and plenty of shiny objects promising overnight success. But let me save you the guesswork. I'll show you the exact steps that beginners are using right now to hit their first $10,000. Methods that are simple, practical, and scalable. And the best part? These strategies don't require you to be an expert. Here's the blueprint you've been waiting for. 3 key strategies to start your digital marketing journey. Start with affiliate marketing. Why? It's one of the simplest ways to make money online without creating your own product. Find a niche you're passionate about, join affiliate programs, and promote products through content creation like blogs, YouTube videos, or social media posts. Leverage social media ads platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to reach millions of people for a fraction of the cost of traditional advertising. Learn the basics of ad targeting, create compelling offers, and let the algorithm do the heavy lifting. Build your email list. Your email list is your most valuable asset. Start capturing leads with free resources like ebooks or guides. Use email marketing tools to nurture these leads, build trust, and convert them into paying customers. These strategies work because they're built on fundamentals: understanding your audience, providing real value, and scaling what works. The journey from $0 to $10,000 might seem daunting, but with consistency and the right mindset, it's absolutely achievable. And remember, you don't have to do everything perfectly. You just have to start. Ready to take control of your future and build a thriving digital marketing business? Hit that subscribe button and join me for more actionable strategies that actually work. Your journey from $0 to $10,000 starts today. Don't wait. Let's make it happen. Watch these next videos to dive deeper into digital marketing hacks and tools that will supercharge your success.